Welcome to Bethlehem Institute of Engineering. Bethlehem Institute of Engineering is affiliated to Anna University, Chennai and approved by AICTE, New Delhi. This institution was established in the year 2008.
I am Alvin Rajasingh from EC department. I am handling digital logic circuit for second year EEE department. Now I am going to explain about the topic Karnaugh map. And the map method is used to simplified by a Boolean expression. First, what is Boolean expression? Boolean expression is a logical statement that is either true or false. Here, two forms of Boolean expression. First one is SOA form, sum of product. Second one is PAS form, product of sum. Next, SOA form. What is SOA form? SOA form is any group of product terms are together. Next example of SOA form. This expression is example of SOA form. F of a comma b comma c is equal to a plus b plus a b bar c. Okay, this is f of a comma b c is the Boolean function. Okay, this f of a comma b is the Boolean function. Next a b c plus a b bar c bar. Okay, this is Boolean expression. A b c and a b bar c bar. This is product terms. Plus means plus is sum time. Okay, this variable a b c are variables. These variables are appeared in complement or uncomplemented form. Okay, this bar indicates the complement. Okay, bar indicates the complement. Okay, next PAS form. A product of sum is any group of sum terms and together. This is PAS form. Next example of PAS form. F of a comma b comma c is equal to a plus b dot b bar plus c bar. This expression is example of PAS form, product of sum. Here f of a b c is the Boolean function. Next a plus b into b bar plus c bar is the Boolean expression. Here a plus b and b bar plus c bar is the sum terms. Okay, this is product. Here also a b c are variables. Here variables appear in complement or uncomplement form. Next, the map method is first proposed by Which and modified by Karnaugh. Hence, and this method is known as bridge diagram or Karnaugh map. Next, explain one variable, two variable, three variable and four variable maps. The basic of this method is a graphical chart known as Karnaugh map or K-map. It contains boxes called cells. Next, each of the cell represents one of the 2 power n possible product that can be formed from n variables. Just one variable map. So here using this 2 power n formula, so here variable is 1. So n is equal to 1. So 2 power 1 is equal to 2 cells. So next draw the one variable K-map structure. Okay, this is for one variable K-map structure. Here totally 2 cells. Okay, 2 cells. And so here only one variable, so variable denoted by a. So a first cell 0, 0 means complement, 1, 1 means uncomplement. So 0, so here a bar 1, so a. Okay, next inside the cell, first cell is 0, next cell 1, so 1 means complement, so a bar. Okay, this a bar and this 0. Next here uncomplement, so this a and this 1. So m, small m represents as min terms. So m here first cell m0, second cell is m1. Next two variable K-map. Okay, two variable K-map. Here variable is 2. So using same formula 2 power n. So n is equal to 2. So 2 power 2 is equal to totally 4 cells. So next draw the structure. Okay, two variable K-map structure. Okay, this is for uh, two variable k-map structure. So totally here two variable, first here denoted by a and b. Okay, first a, here you take a, next row is take b. Okay, so here using two variables a and b. So first here for this row value is 0, next row value is 1. Here column wise, here first row value is 0, next cell next column value is 1. So first inside the cell values, okay, inside the cell values, first take this row value. See here row value, next take top column value. Okay, so first cell value is 0 0. So 0 0 means complement. So here a bar in top, b bar, so a bar b bar. So 0 0 means min times representation m0. Next time second cell value is row value 0, top column value 1, so 0 1. 0 means complement, so a bar, next b, so a bar b. So min times representation 1, so m1. So next is cell second cell. So here row value is 1, column 0 1 0. So otherwise a b bar, so a b bar. So one means complement, uncomplement, so one means uncomplement a, next 0 means complement, so b bar. So next min times representation m2. Next cell value is here 1, so in top 1, so 1 1, so 1 1. So here a, in top b, so a b. So this is min times representation m3. Just three variable k-map. So in three variable k-map, here input is variable is 3, so totally 2 power 3, so totally 3 power 3 is equal to 8 cells. Okay, totally 8 cells. So using same formula, 2 power n formula, so 2 power 3 is equal to 8 cells. Next to draw the structure. Okay, this is for three variable k-map structure. Here totally 8 cells, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, totally here 8 cells. So variable also three variables. Okay, first is variable take here a, next take here b c. Okay, totally here three variables. So first row value is 0, second row value is 1. So 0 means complement, so here take a bar, next 1 1 means uncomplement a. Next first cell value is 0 0, next 0 1, next cell 1 1, next cell 1 0. Another one important point is adjacent cell values are differ by only one bit. Then only we can combine the cell. Here check here 0 0 0 1. Here totally only one bit is change. Okay, next check this next two times 0 1 1 0. Here also change only one bit. Here next check this 1 0 1 0. Here also change only one bit. So must uh, adjacent values differ by only one bit, then only we can combine the cells. Okay, next first cell values. Okay, first cell value is here 0 in column wise. Okay, this four cells column value is 0. So first top here 0 0. So first cell value is 0 0 0. So 0 means first time a bar, in top 0 0 b bar c bar. So min times representation m0. Next time here 0 row value 0, column wise 0 1 0. Oops, here value is 0 0 1. Here in column value a bar, next b bar c. So min times representation m1. Next time here value is, so column 0 in top 1 1 0 1 1. Here a bar 0 means a bar, column c 1 1 1 1 means bc. Okay, min times representation m3. Next value is here 0 in top 1 0 0 1 0. So 0 means complement, so a bar. So next b here c bar. So min times representation m2. Okay, next cell here value is column, sorry, row value 1, column value 0 0. So 1 0 0. Next term a, here b bar c bar. So a b bar c bar. So min times representation m4. Next term here a, here b bar c. So 1 0 1. So min times representation m5. Next term here row 1, column 1 1. So 1 1 1. So a and top bc. So min times representation m7. Next last cell value here 1 in top 1 0, so 1 1 0 1, so here a in top b c bar, so b c bar, so min times representation m6. So next 4 variable, so here 4 variables using same formula, okay, 2 power n, so 2 power n is equal to 2 power n, so n is equal to here 4, so 2 power 4, so 2 power 4 is equal to 16 cells, okay. So totally in 4 variable, totally here 16 cells. So first make a 4 variable k map structure, okay, this is for 4 variable k map structure, totally here 16 cells. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, totally here 16 cells. 16 cells. Okay, first take here AB, okay, to variable AB. Next here take CD. Okay, first cell value is 0 0, next cell 0 1, next 1 1, next 1 0. Okay, here check, okay, only one bit differ, okay, adjacent cell value is 0 0 0 1, only one bit is different. Okay, next 0 1 1 1, here also only one bit is different. Next 1 0 1 1 1 1 0, here also only one bit is different. Next column wise, okay, 0 0, next column 0 1, next 1 1, next 1 0, here also only one, okay, adjacent cell values are differ by only one bit. So next, okay, first cell value, so first cell value is first take this row, so in first 0 0, okay, take this row 0 0, next top column is 0 0 0 0 means complement, so a bar b bar c bar, next d bar, so min times representation m0, min times representation m0. Next tab here row 0 0, column 0 1, 0 0, this row 0 0, column 0 1, so 0 0 means complement, so a bar b bar, next top c bar d, a bar b bar c bar d, min times representation 1. Okay, next cell value row 0 0, column 1 1, 0 0 1 1, so 0 means complements, a bar b bar 1 1 1 1 means cd cd, so min times representation m3. Okay, next fourth cell value is here row 0 0, column 1 0, 0 0 1 0. Here value term is a bar b bar c d bar, a bar b bar c d bar, so min times representation, okay, m2. Next second row, so first second row first cell value is here row value is 0 1, in top 0 0, so 0 1 0 0, so term value is a bar, 0 means complement, a bar, next b in top, c bar d bar, so min times cell value is 4, min times representation m4. Okay, min times denoted by m, so m4. Next cell value is in row 0 1, column 0 1, so 0 1 0 1, 0 complement, so a bar b c bar d. Next cell value is 0 1, in top 1 1 0 1 1 1, so value a bar b c d. Next cell c d bar, here value is 0 1, in top 1 0, so a bar b c d bar, min times representation m6. Next time here column row value is 1 1, column value is 0 0, so 1 1 0 0, value term value is a b c bar d bar, a b c bar d bar, so min times representation m12. Next term is column value 1 1, row value is 1 1, column value is 0 1, so term value, so ab, here ab in top, c bar d, c bar d, m min times representation m13. Okay, next cell row value 1 1, column value also 1 1, so term value a b c d. Okay, here a b in top c d, so a b c d, min times representation m15. Next cell row value 1 1, column value 1 0 1 1 1 0, so term value a b in top c d bar, so for min times representation m14. Next here column value 1 0, sorry, row value 1 0, column value 0 0. Column value 0 0, so 1 0 0 0. So val term a b bar c bar d bar, so min terms representation m8. Okay, next term here 1 0 in top 0 1 0 0 1, so a b bar c bar d in min terms representation m9. Next cell 1 0 in top 1 0, so term value is a b bar c d. Okay, min tab representation m11. Next cell row value 1 0, row 1 0 and top 1 0, so 1 0 1 0, so value a b bar in top c d bar, min tab representation m10. Okay, this is 4 variable k-map structure. Next, pass form. Okay, next to explain pass form, product of sum. Okay, product of sum. Here also same formula, 2 power n formula. So first one variable, okay, first one variable, same formula, 2 power n, so n is equal to 1. So here also 2 cells. So next, say this is structure, 2 cells. Okay, first one 2, so totally here 2 cells. So variable is a. Okay, only one variable is a. First cell 0, second cell 1. So 0 means uncomplement. Okay, 0 means uncomplement. A. Next 1 means complement, so a bar. Next first cell values here 0, so 0 means in term a bar, max term. Okay, here fast form is represented as fast form is represented max term. So max term indicate m, capital M, so m0. So m0. Next 1 means complement, so a bar, max term representation m1. Next 2 variable, so here use variable, so here 2 variable, so 2 power 2 is equal to 4 cells, so totally here 4 cells. Okay, this is structure for 2 variable. Total here 4 cells. Okay, variables are a b, variables are a and b, so here a and here take b. So first cell value 0, first column row value is 0, second row value is 1. So 0 means uncomplement, so a. 1 means complement, so a bar. Here b means b, so first column value is 0, second column value 1. So 0 means uncomplement, b. 1 means complement, so b bar. So first cell value is first 0, here also 0, so 0 0. So here write 0, first cell value is 0 0. So next term here a, here b. Okay, first write this term a, so a. Next plus, okay, this is fast form, so first a, next plus, next column value, so b, so a plus next column b. Okay, next max term representation m0. Okay, max term representation m, capital M0. Okay, min terms representation small m, max term representation capital M. So this is m0. Next in outside here first this column row value is 0, row value is 0, column value is 1, so 0 1. So 0 means uncomplement, so a plus. Next top value b bar, so a plus b bar. Next cell, so this is next cell, so row value is 1, column 0, so 1 0. So 1 means complement, so complement means a bar plus next top b. So max term representation m2. Next cell here row value 1, column value 1, so 1 1. So a bar, here top b bar, so a bar plus b bar. So this is for 2 variable k-map. Next 3 variable k-map. Next 3 variable k-map. Here also using same formula, 2 power n, so variable is 3, so 2 power 3 is equal to totally 8 cells. Okay, this is structure for 3 variable k-map. Here totally 8 cells. So your variables are a b c. Okay, totally 3 variables a b c. So first here take 0, next row column row value is 0, first row value is 0, second row value is 1. So first 0 0 means uncomplement, so a. Next 1 means complement, so a bar. Here 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So adjacent cell values differ by only one bit. Okay, here 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, this is 0 0, so b, so uncomplement b plus c. Next time 0 1, so this is pass form, so write this format. Okay, b plus c. Next 0 1 0 1 means b plus 1 1 means complement c bar. Next 1 1 1 1 b bar plus c bar. Next 1 0 b bar plus c. Again, next inside the cell, first take row 0. Okay, 0. Next take top, so column 0 0. So here value is 0 0 0. So next take column term. So term is first a means uncomplement 0 a plus, here a plus, in top b plus c, so a plus b plus c. This max term representation m0. Next cell value is row value is 0. So row value is 0, column value is 0 1 0 0 1. So in term, so a next plus b plus c bar. So max term representation 1. Next cell value is row value is 0. So here take 0. Next column value is 1 1 0 1 1. 0 means in here a, so a plus, next b bar plus c bar. So max term representation m3. Next term is here row value is 0, column value 1 0. So here 1 0. So term value a in a, here b bar plus c, so a plus b bar plus c. So max term representation m2. Next here row value 1, column value 0 0. So 1 0 0. So here 1 0 0. So first so a bar, here take a bar. Next top b plus c, so a bar plus bc. So max term representation m4. Next is that here 1 in top 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. So 1 0 1, 1 means complement, so a bar plus, here a bar plus, next b plus c, okay, max term representation m5. Next is that here 1, so 1 1 1, so 1 1 1, column value also 1 1, so 1 1. So here term a bar plus b bar plus c bar. So max term representation m7. Next term here 1, so 1, next cell 1 in top 1 0 1 1 0. So a bar plus b bar plus c. So max term representation m6. Next 4 variable came up. Here variable is 4, so 2 power 4 is equal to 16 cells. Okay, totally here 16 cells. So next structure, so this is structure for 4 variable came up. Here totally 4 variables a b c d, totally here 4 variables, totally here 16 cells. Okay, total 16 cells. First row value is 0 0, second row value is 0 1, next row value is 1 1, next row value is 1 0. In top first column value is 0 0, next column value is 0 1, next column value is 1 1, next column value is 1 0. So first cell value is, first take row value 0 0, in next column 0 0. So totally 4 0 0 0 0 0. Next term here a plus b, in top c plus d. So max term representation m0. Next term column, sorry, row 0 0, column 0 1 0 0 0 1. Term a plus b, column c plus d bar. So max term representation m1. Next term 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, term a plus b plus c bar plus d, m3. Next term row 0 0, column 1 0 0 0 1 0. So row value a plus b, column value c bar plus d, a plus b c bar plus d, max term representation m2. Next here row value 0 1, column value 0 0 0 1 0 0. So row value a plus b bar, plus top c plus d. So max term representation m4. Next column value 0 1, so row value 0 1, column value 0 1 0 1 0 1. So column a plus b bar plus row a plus b bar column C plus D bar. Max term representation M5. Next cell, row value 0 1, column value 1 1, 0 1 1 1. So 0 means complement, sorry, 0 means uncomplement. So here A plus B bar, so A plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Next cell value row 0 1, column 1 0. So value is A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. So max term M6. Next cell, row value 1 1, column value 0 0. So 1 1 0 0, term A bar plus B bar plus C D. Max term representation M12. Next cell, so row value 1 1, column value 0 1. So term A bar plus B bar plus C D bar. Max term representation M13. Next cell, row value 1 1, column value 1 1. So 1 1 1 1. So A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Max term representation M15. Next cell, row value 1 1, column value 1 0. So 1 1 1 0. A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D. So max term representation M14. Next cell, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. So A bar plus B plus C D bar. So max term representation M8. Next cell, 1 0 row 1 0, column 0 1. So A bar plus B plus C plus D bar. So M9. Next cell, row 1 0, column 1 1. So 1 0 1 1. So 1 0 value is A bar plus B. So A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. Okay, 1 1 value is C bar plus D. So A bar plus B plus C bar D. Next cell, 1 0, row value is 1 0, column value is 1 0 1 0 1 0. So A1 means complement. So A bar plus 0 means uncomplement. So here A bar plus B in top, C bar plus D. So term is A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. So max term representation M10. So this is for 4 variable K map. Next, plot the Boolean expression. Okay, plot the Boolean expression. So y is equal to A bar B C D plus A B bar C D bar plus A bar B C D bar plus A B bar C D plus A B C D. Okay, first to find out the given expression soft form or past form. So given expression is soft form. So first product next plus. Okay, this format is soft form. First product next plus. Okay, this format is soft form. So given expression is soft form. So next to find out the how many variables. So here A B C D. So totally here 4 variables. So next to find out the how many variables. So first to find out the given expression soft form or fast form. So given expression is soft form because first product term next plus. So given expression soft form. Next to find out the how many variables. Here 4 alphabets A B C D. So given expression is given variable is 4 variable. So make a 4 variable K map. First make a 4 variable K map. Okay, first draw the structure, 4 variable structure. Okay, so totally here 4 variable 2 per 4 is equal to 16. So totally here 16 cells. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Totally here 16 cells. Okay, next values. First is row value 0 0, second row value 0 1, next row value 1 1, next 1 0, next column 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So this is soft form. So soft form means 0 0 means complement. So 0, so A bar, here also 0, so B bar. Next here variable. So this row value is AB. So A bar 0 B bar. Next 0, so A bar, next 1, so B. Here 1 1, so 1 means uncomplement. So A B. Next 1 0, so A B bar. So next here 0 0. So here take the variable is CD. So C bar D bar. Next 0 1, C bar D. Next 1 1, C D. Next 1 0, C D bar. Next, okay, another one point. Soft form each individual terms. Okay, this is one individual term, this is another one. Total here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, total here 5 terms. So each individual term output is 1. So this term output is 1. Next another one out, this term output is 1. Total here 5 ones. So first to find out the this cell. Okay, A bar B C bar D bar cell. Okay, find the A bar B C bar cell. So these first two terms row, next two first these two variables row, next two variables column. So first find A bar B. Okay, A bar B, A bar B. Okay, second row A bar B. Next column, so C bar D. Next find the C bar D, C bar D's. Sorry, mistake. First row A bar B, so second A bar B. Okay, next variable is C bar D bar, column. Take column C bar D bar. So okay, C bar D bar, C bar D bar. Okay, first row, first column C bar D bar. So find this cell. So this cell value is A bar B. Okay, this row A bar B in top column C bar D. So this cell corresponding this value is 1. Okay, this cell value is 1. So this output, first time output is 1. Okay, put here 1. Next find out the next cell A B bar. So A B bar, A B bar. So last row A B bar. Next column A B bar, C D bar, C in top, C D bar, C D bar, last column. Okay, last column. So this last column value is 1. So second cell completed, first term complete, second term complete. Next third A bar B, A bar B, A bar B means second row A bar B, C D bar. Next C D bar. So this last cell, so last cell value is 1. Okay, next fourth term A B bar, A B bar. So last cell A B bar, last term A B bar. Next C D, C D. Okay, find the cell A bar B bar C D. Okay, this cell. So this corresponding this cell value is 1. Next last term A B C bar D, A B, A B. Okay, third row A B. Next column C bar D, C bar D. So C bar D. So this corresponding cell value is 1. So remaining cell values are 0. So remaining cell values are 0. This is plot Boolean expression. Okay, next plot the first form. So next plot the first form. Okay, this is the expression y is equal to A plus B plus C plus D bar into A plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar into A plus B plus C bar plus D bar into A bar plus B bar plus C plus D bar. Same procedure. First find out the given expression, soft form or past form. Next find out the how many variables. So first find out the given expression, soft or past. Okay, this is past expression because first term is plus term. Okay, A plus B plus C plus D. Next into. So first plus next into. So this expression is past form expression. Okay, next to find out the variables. So here 1 2 3. Okay, A B C D. Okay, 4 variables. So make a 4 variable k map. First make a 4 variable k map. This is 4 variable k maps. Totally here 4 variable 2 power 4 is equal to 16 cells. Totally here 16 cells. Next variables AB denoted by AB. So here take AB and here take CD. So first row value is 0 0, second row value is 0 1, next row value 1 1, next 1 0. Here column 0 0, second column 0 1, next third column 1 1, next 1 0. So here in past form 0 means uncomplement. So A. Okay, next plus next B. Okay, this is past form. So A plus B. Okay, first write first variable, next plus. So A plus B 0 0, A plus B, next 0 1. So A plus B bar, next 1 1. So A bar plus B bar. So 1 means complement. So A bar plus B bar, next 1 0. So A bar plus B. Here 0 0. So C plus D 0 1. So here take CD. So C plus D. Next 0 1, C plus D bar. Next 1 1, C bar plus D bar. 1 0, C bar plus D. Okay, next find out the cell values. Next put the cell values 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 here. Okay, this cell is 8 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, next okay, another one point. So this past form, each individual time. Okay, this is past form. In past form, each individual time output is 0. Okay, first this time output is 0, next this cell output is 0, next this cell output is 0. Okay, next this cell output is 0. Totally here 1 2 3 4 times. Okay, this 4 times output is 0. So next find here this cell, find this cell. Okay, A plus B plus C plus D bar. So first find out the row A plus B. So A plus B means A plus B means first. Okay, first row. A plus B, first row. Next column, C plus D bar. C plus D bar. C plus D bar is second column. So this cell, okay, first term value is here. Okay, put here 0. Okay, next term a plus b bar. So a plus b bar, okay, second. So second value a plus b bar. Next c bar plus d bar, c bar plus d bar. So c bar plus d bar is where? C bar plus d bar, c bar plus d bar is here. Okay, c bar plus d bar. So this place value is 0. Seventh cell value is 0. Okay, next to find the this a plus b plus c bar plus d bar. So a plus b, find a plus b. So here also first cell, okay, first row, a plus b. Next to find the c bar d bar. C bar d bar is third cell value is 0. Okay, third cell value is 0. Next to find the fourth, this time a bar plus b bar. So a bar plus b bar is third cell, a bar plus b bar. Okay, this a bar plus b bar. Next c plus d bar, c plus d bar. So this cell value is 0. So totally here 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Totally here 4 zeros. Remaining cell values are 1. Okay, remaining cell values are 1. Okay, in K map, soft form. Okay, in K map, soft form and pass form values are there. Okay, 0 is represented as pass form, 1 is represented as soft form in K map. Okay, in K map, two values are there, zeros and ones. So 1 is represented as soft and 0 is represented as pass form. Next, grouping cells for simplification. Okay, next, grouping cells for simplification. The grouping is nothing but combining terms in adjacent ones. Okay, the grouping is nothing but combining terms in adjacent ones. Okay, next types, neighboring cells in the row or adjacent. Okay, this is row grouping. Okay, and here, okay, these types of grouping is row grouping. Next, neighboring cells in the columns are adjacent. Okay, next, neighboring cells in the columns are adjacent. Okay, this is column grouping. Okay, this type grouping is column. Next, leftmost and corresponding rightmost adjacent. Okay, leftmost and corresponding rightmost. Okay, this is left to right grouping. Next, top to bottom. Okay, next, top and corresponding bottom cells are adjacent. Okay, next, this is top to bottom grouping. Next, illegal grouping, diagonal grouping is illegal. Okay, this type of diagonal grouping is illegal. Okay, this type of grouping is illegal. And grouping of odd number of cells is illegal. Okay, and odd number of grouping is also illegal. Okay, two types of illegal grouping, diagonal grouping and odd number of groupings are illegal. Okay, next, advantages of K-map. Advantages: minimize Boolean expression without the need using various Booleans theorem. Second advantage, a K-map reduce the number of logic gates to be used to solve an logic expression and hence reduce the error. Disadvantage of K-map, applicable for only up to 6 variables. Okay, thank you.